Tom Emmer called in, and I want to give him just a couple minutes because Tom Emmer has been crisscrossing the state all over, and today he has a busy agenda. Welcome, Tom Emmer. How's the gubernatorial campaign going?
Hey, it's going great, Sue. How are you?
Excellent. And you're probably at a fundraiser right now at Blair House.
I am. I don't know if you can hear anybody. Is anybody here?
Anybody who doesn't know, Blair House over on, what is it, Western and Selby, maybe? Get on over there. Great fundraiser. Tom Emmer's one of the guests over there. I want to head over too. It goes till 8 o'clock. So listen to the show till 7, and then we can go over there. Go ahead, Tom.
I can't interrupt the lady who's got the mic, but we're here supporting Jamie Delton.
Oh, yeah, Jamie Delton over in St. Paul. He is a great candidate. And Rick Karshnia, too?
What's that?
Isn't Rick Karshnia over there, too?
Well, yes. I'm sorry.
Excellent.
Somebody had to throw a sign in front of my face. I was just with him.
He's got one of those tricky last names. But, all right, Tom, tell us what you're hearing out on the campaign trail.
You know what? I think we're all hearing the same thing, but what I'm being told as I go around, people are tired of politics as usual, business as usual, Sue. You know, whether it's the media or the people on the other side, all they ever want to talk about is tax and spend, and it's usually you got to raise taxes or we're going to cut spending, we're going to cut services, which that's fine, but we got to start talking about how you deliver the services, and you got to talk about what does the government look like, Sue, and how are we going to redesign it so that it delivers what we need, and we got to keep talking to people about the real problem. Yes, we got a huge budget deficit, but you know what it is? That is nothing more than a symptom of the real problem. It's an economic problem. We've got to find a way to make Minnesota competitive again and start getting our businesses moving so people have good jobs in this state, so not just $11 an hour census.
Hey, by the way, Tom, those census jobs get $17 an hour.
$17 an hour? Maybe we should look into one of those.
I know. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of people here at the station who would rather have a census job at $17 an hour. Yeah, definitely.
People have been great everywhere we go. Today we took up at least a block in the Farmington parade. You've got Dave Thompson down there. You had, obviously, Congressman Klein down there. You got great candidates all over the place. We were in Cottage Grove this morning. Corinne Housley is, she's going to be something special. I hope people are paying attention to these folks. And it's all about it's giving people their choices back. People are concerned about the size of government.
Oh, I think they are too. And Tom, I just want to throw out there, you're also at Anoka County Fairgrounds tonight, aren't you? Doesn't Senate District 48 have their big event out there? Chris Baker's the MC.
They do, and I think Congresswoman Bachman's going to be up there as well. I think that's sometime after 5:30 tonight. We'll all be up in Anoka.
Yeah, that'll be a great time. Baker is a fabulous MC, and you're going to like that. And by the way, I want you to tell Congresswoman Bachman that I'm really sorry about those posters that are floating around out there. I don't know if you heard about them. I'm going to talk about them a little bit later on in the show, but they have the F word on it, and then it talks about Michelle Bachman, and it's the most outrageous thing you've ever heard. It's awful, and I'm embarrassed that Minnesotans did that.
You know what, Sue, I haven't heard about those posters, but I'll tell you this. I think most reasonable Minnesotans are sick and tired of the politics of division that get played by some people. I think we're interested in candidates who are selling what they have to offer as opposed to telling you what the other guy's bad about it. You know what, Michelle Bachman, God bless her for standing up for what she believes in and representing the vision of the
Well, Tom Emmer, I'll let you get back to your events. Best of luck to you, and keep us posted on what you're hearing out on the campaign trail. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Sue. Have a great night.
Yep, you too. Tom Emmer's going to be having loads of fun out there on the campaign trail tonight. That event in Anoka County, Chris Baker's the MC, folks. If you're in the Anoka area, heck, if you're not, get in your car and drive over there as long as you listen to me till 7. Get on over there and see Michelle Bachman, Tom Emmer, some of these, Chris Baker. It will be so much fun. Anoka County Fairgrounds. A little bit later on in the show, I'm going to tell you where I was this morning, too, because the folks in New Hope, man, they got a great group of people over there. I'm really excited about that. Right now, we're talking about President Obama's